Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we're looking at this Maths Olympiad question before us. Come with me as we solve this together. Don't panic. It's very easy. I will explain it explicitly. You understand? Just join me as we enjoy all the steps involved together. Thank you for coming. The question reads, if 8 power a, this sign means times 8 power a equal 200. We are asked to find a. What will be the value of a? First thing to do, to write down the solution. Let's write down the solution. We have 8 power a times 8 power a equal 200. Very important. We apply multiplication law of indices to this side. Recall that if we have a power m times a power n, this is the same as a power m plus n. So we use this rule here on the on the left hand side of this exponential equation. So the bases are the same. We pick one of the base, which is 8, and we are free to add their respective power. A plus a, that's 2a, will be equals to 200. Very important. The base on the left is 8. The base on the right hand side is 200. And we can write this 200 to have the base of 8. So what do? We take the log of both sides. It will now be log 8 power a will be equals to log 200. Very important. From one of the laws of this is 2a, this is 2a here. From one of the laws of logarithm, if we have log b power a, this is the same as this a will fall back here to multiply the log now. So it will be a log b. So we apply that law here. So this will now be 2a log 8. We bring this 2a backward here to multiply this log 8. So it will be 2a times log 8 now will be equals to 2 log 200. I hope we are together. Very important. The next thing to do is to divide through by log 8. Our aim is to find a. So let's divide through by log 8. Divide both sides by log 8. This will divide this. We are left with 2a now will be equals to log 200 divided by log 8. Very important. Let's move here. We have 2a will now be equals to this log 200. We can write it as log 25 times 8 divided by log 8. Very important. Okay. From addition law of logarithm, we can write this as 2a will now be equals to log 25 plus log 8 divided by log 8. We can split this. It means we have 2a will now be equals to log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 25 divided by log 8. Log 8 divided by log 8 is 1. We have 2a now will be equals to 1 plus this 25. We can write it as log 5 power 2 divided by this 8 with 8 is the same as 2 power 3. Log 2 power 3. Very important. We still apply this law here. These two will come back and multiply this the same 2 with this 3. So we have 2a will now be equals to 1 plus 2 log 5 divided by this 3 will fall back to, that will be 3 log 2. Very important. Okay. The next step now, the next thing to do, we'll have 2a will now be equals to 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 divided by log 2. Very important. Let's move here to see what we can do to simplify further. Very important. Let me clean here. Permit me to clean this part. We have 2a will now be equals to 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 divided by log 2. Recall from one of the laws of logarithm, If we have log b divided by log a, this is the same thing as log b to base a. So we need to apply it here. Very important, this law now. So we have 2a, it will now be equals to 1 plus 2 divided by 3. This will now be log 5 to base 2. Very important. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to divide both sides by 2 to get our a. We're almost there. A now will be equals to 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2 all in 2. So this will now be the value of our a. Very important. And we can check. Let's check whether it is true. How do we check? Let's plug this value of a back into the original exponential that was given to us and see what we will have. Okay, let's do that here. The original equation is 8a times 8a is equals to 200. If we substitute a now as this, what are we going to have? We'll have 8 power 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 times 8 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2 divided by 2. Is it the same thing as 200? That's what we're trying to check. Here, 8 is common as the base. We can pick one of the base and add the power. This will now be 8. This is the same. It means we can say 2 of what? 2 of this. Like when you have a is the same as 2a. So we'll have 2 of 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2 divided by 2. Is it the same thing as 200? Let's see. These two can divide these two. We can reduce this. So that we'll have 8 now. Power 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2. Is it the same thing as 200? Let's see. We can write this as well as 8 power 1 times 8 power 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2. Our aim is to check whether it is equals to 200. Very important. This 8, I can write it as 2 power 3 times this 8, I can write it as 2 power 3 times 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2. These 3 will divide this. Very important. Okay? I will have 2 now, power 3 times 2 power 2 log 5 to base 2. Very important. Okay? Let's move up here to check. Very important. Okay, let's clean here. Our aim now is to see whether this left hand side will give us 200. We're left with 2 power 3 times these 2, we can bring it backward to the front rather here, so that we can have 2 power log 5 power 2 to base 2. Very important. Okay, that is if you have 2 log a, for instance, we can write it as 2 log a power 2. Okay, I recall from one of the laws of logarithm again, if we have a log b to base a, this is the same thing as b. So we use this law at this point now. Very important. So we have 2 as the base, and this 2, the base of the power is still 2. So it means we can write this as 2 power 3 times 2 power what? Instead of picking this 2 now, it will be, if we compare this, our a is 2, we have the log, our base is 2, which is a now, then b is 5 power 2. So it means the whole of this is the same thing as 5 power 2, using this law now. So this will be 5 power 2. Is it the same thing as 200? That's what we are trying to check. 3 power 2 is 8. This will be 8 times 5 power 2 is 25. And 8 times 25 is nothing but 200. Hence, proved. Hence, proved. Or hence, the value of A truly is nothing but A equals to 1 plus 2 divided by 3 log 5 to base 2 all in 2. So this is the value of A that satisfies both the left hand side and the right hand side of this exponential equation. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.